Well, guys, we looked around, we found a belt. This one's a little thin. What I'm gonna do here, I guess I gotta pull off the wheel, the entire wheel, and the hub, and this here. Then I can put the new belt on. Other belt on. Now what we're gonna do is put the chain back on, put the clip back on, and the wheel back on. We are gonna slide the motor mount forward about 3 or 4 inches, get the belt nice and tight, and then Reagan's gonna try and send it, right?
Yeah.
So guys, you're probably like me and use a pair of needle nose pliers, but there's a tool for this to bring the chain together for the master link. Makes it a little easier. Easy, boy. You liking that? It's a GX 390. No suspension, boy. Yeah, we gotta stretch that belt a little bit. I've never seen a 4-seater Yerf dog, boys. Fast, huh? Pretty fast. Try stopping, Reagan. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, that belt's gonna stretch out. You're gonna go tighten up that motor. Easy, boy. Parker wants to drive this because he said it's smaller than it looked. I drove it. My head was sticking out the top. Yours almost is. You need to ride in the back and let me drive it. Well, dudes, we got the new belt on. We just adjusted the chain and tightened up the block. I don't really like the way he has just one... he just has one bolt, couple bolts down the middle. I think it needs 2 more bolts. All right, let go of the brake. Push in your kill. Yeah. Go ahead. Man, I don't know if he's ever going to get a date in that thing. Let's see if it'll haul his bolt. Buster, what do you think? Pretty cool. Let me get in the back. Hold on. Listen, hit the brake. Go ahead. I'm in, boys. Oh, we're getting traction now, dudes! Oh yeah. There's room for 2 shorties. Careful, Buster. Come in. God! Get fucking heavy. Keep her on level ground. Now we're just spinning them. Easy, boy. Don't have to line up. We're one-wheel kill, boys. Burn it. I think this is a big opportunity to try and kill me. Don't turn it fast. We'll flip this bitch. Supposed to be a 4-seater, boys. They're on board. Are you holding the brake? Let go of the gas. Will we smoke a belt, dudes? I can smell it. You smell it? Yeah. Damn. Well, we're breaking the belt in here. We got a little spicy with me in there. No, you can't. It's hitting the back seat. We need to take it out and just drive it from the back seat. Freaking Mach speed, dudes. We gotta have one hand support your body.
It's like a... I was two-wheeling it. Dang, this thing's cool, guys. Hop in the back, I'll give you a ride to the shop. It's going to fall back and squash me. Alright, I'm good. Ready? Psych! Shocking it up. Got people moving in the gravel and this pause the rear end, it'll just break loose. You know, you'll pretty much just end up going through a set of tires. It's a high torque situation. Shit! I got my foot stuck under the brake pedal. I got my foot stuck like this, boys. I thought we was gonna eat the picnic table there for a minute. Boop! This is pretty fun, right?
Yeah, it's fun.
Reagan like driving it.
It's like a minivan.
I think that one will be fun.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about putting a different motor. Come look, they got a little Predator motor on it with the torque converter set. As you can see, the clutch, it's all...
No, it's like real big.
The clutch is all there. Well, look.
Is it a good motor?
We should put another 212 right here.
Another motor?
Two 212s. That's what that's set up for.
Yeah.
It'd be pretty cool.
It would, two exhausts sticking out.
Also, like the jack shaft location, I wouldn't mind putting a heavy duty shifter motor in this. It's pretty nice, right? Mm-hmm. Should be fun to ride. This is pretty janky here, and I'm gonna be. They're off a little on their calculations. I think that was supposed to go in between those, not beside it, but it's all good.
Think you're sitting there and crumble?
I don't think the seat's bolted down.
Yeah.
You could try them, I don't care. It's pretty neat, huh?
Yeah.
It's got a lot of suspension. It's got new tires on it.
We haven't had a go-kart in the shape like this one in a while.
That's pretty neat, isn't it?
Yeah.
We got to do a little work on the front end.
I wouldn't say damn.
Turn it that way? Yeah, it turns. It's just, it gets a weird camber.
It's light, probably because...
All right, push in the choke.
Yeah. Got it?
Give it a little gas. See, I'm the traction back here, boy. Keep her straight. A little more gas. Ooh, it's got some power now.
No problem.
Go that way. Oh, pond side.
Oh, God.
Turn right, turn right. Yeah. Give it some gas. You're gonna have to go up on the berm. Gas it, gas it, gas it. Whoa, what are you doing? All right, let off the gas for first thing. I wasn't trying to go up it. I was trying to go like this on it.
Oh.
Jeez, you almost killed us, boy. All right, dudes. Honda GX 390. We got a bad belt situation here. We're gonna have to swap it out. Man, good old motors. 4-seat Yerf dog, dudes. You think it's fun?
Yeah.
Which one's funner, this one?
Definitely this one. This one is kind of cool. It's pretty fast on the road, but
So you think you could take your girlfriend in this one?
no, because she would definitely break up with me.
If you took her in this?
Because this thing is like big, and whenever you don't have a little bit of a other way, then yeah.
We'll just get you a big girl. She's sitting in the back.
No.
No?
This one is definitely more funner and more faster, definitely.
Guys, we appreciate you. Be sure and get up in there. Rotax Max 125 two-stroke video going on the channel soon. Drop you a little clip right here just so you can see.
That was crazy. I always felt like it was just gonna tilt on.
Andy hit the fence. I told you you're getting too close to the edge of the road. Quadzilla video coming up too, boys. I wrote it today. Appreciate you guys. Get up in there. Jump on Time Machine ATV's Instagram. Give us a follow if you want to see what we're posting for sale, dudes. I'm throwing it up there first.